You are glass, cold and brittle, so I never push too hard, 'cause you break from so little, and I cut myself on every shard. I wish that you were clearer and could see my point of view.
You are glass, thick and blurry, so you see the worst parts first. You're a pain, and I worry that your temper's always primed to burst. You wish that I was clearer and could see your point of view. But if I'm glass, then I'm a mirror, so you're seeing only you.